what's a good thing to do while you're trying to figure out if we're racing or not? Wash your cooler. Good Lord at the water pressure. I didn't have that much mud in my cooler. That's from my brush. My stupid butt decided to try to clean my cooler with the same brush that I washed my race car with. Well, the old generator that I've used forever decided to not have any compression yesterday, which is a good thing. I mean, not a good thing that happened, but it's a good thing that it happened at home instead of at the racetrack. So I went and got this dude. I mean, it's not as good of a deal as they used to be, but I don't have to pull start. It's a push start. But one thing I've run into, my big generator had the 4-prong plug. All my cords are 4-prong. I'm having a very hard time finding the 3-prong to 4-prong adapter. So I've got a bunch of guys on the internet that are local to me looking for me. It come with a RV plug, but it's more of like a welder style over here, or a welder plug, which still ain't gonna work. So I'm gonna fill this jewel up with some oil and start it. I mean, since I can't plug it into my trailer and make sure it runs everything good. But that's the kind of mess we're into today. They got a coupon on these. I know you won't see this video by then, but it's 15% off. So I basically got the 2-year warranty for free, which, since my trips to the races killed my generator in less than 2 years, it's probably a good thing that I got that. But they rained the Cumberland race out tonight. We're probably gonna get rained out tomorrow, but oh well. So, what we got going on today, Hunter?
Heading to the races, of course, Mountain View. Every surrounding track is closed today except, I believe, Tazewell, but that's not really surrounding, that's a little ways away. But us, Tazewell, and I believe Duck River's the only ones running in this area tonight, so I'm not going to comment on car count, because the last 2 weeks I said there should be quite a few. Ain't been but just shy over 100, and that's, for what's been there, it ain't really good. So, but tonight we're running 9 classes, I believe it is, so there should be 10 features, and depending on who all comes, there'll be a couple heat races. So gonna be a long night for us.
Fan appreciation.
Yeah, and then they got intermission, fan appreciation stuff going on. Other than that, just a regular points night for us. I know there's a couple of fast guys gonna be here tonight, just because they ain't racing anywhere else. So, but that's all right, because good competition makes us better. That's always good, you know. So, anyways, that's about it for right now.
And we're fighting the weather.
Yeah, it's, well, I mean, other than, yeah, rain. It's sprinkling right now, and it's 4:16, so I guess we'll have to see how it goes, because it looks good across the mountain, but I can't tell if that's rain or fog up there. Looks a little weird, but anyway, that's about it for now. So we'll keep y'all updated and tag y'all along with us on the way to the feature.
Okay, so we've got all this mess unloaded. Weather looks a little crazy, but I believe it's past us. Man, tacky and smooth. Tacky's not the best for me, but I do love tacky. I think the rain is past us. I think we're good to go. I don't believe we're gonna get rained out. But like Hunter said, I think we're one of 3 tracks within, I don't know, 100 miles or more that's running today, because the rain seems to went everywhere around us. That guy right there. Anyway, we're gonna run through the pits, go get scaled, and see what happens. So I'll be back with y'all in a bit. So I was gonna go over here and get my car weighed. My battery's dead. Hunter's fun. I mean, not really, but so my pit cruise will be a few minutes. I forgot about my blower being on in the trailer. actually very surprised because it's way hammered down again. Made a gear change because it was bogging my motor real bad. Done great in 3 and 4, pushed in 1 and 2, but that was my fault. Just trying to see what the track would hold, and it wasn't that. I guess we'll go out for qualifying in a little bit, have the fan meet and greet stuff, which is going to be pretty cool, and then run our feature. I think the rain's held off. It looks like crap out here, but I believe we're okay. And then a little generator. Since I finally figured out how to work it, but this is my favorite part. Tells you the load on it. So my air conditioner's on, my battery charger's on, and this thing has 3,000 continuous and it's using 1531. So I'm pretty excited about it. For the money, you can't beat it because I sure can't afford a Honda. And that's my air conditioner. We put a mini split in. I mounted it this time. It works pretty good. So anyway, we'll catch y'all after hot laps. Wait a minute. We'll catch you after qualifying. Sorry about that.
Jeremy Hicks is
okay. We're fixing to run the feature. Tighten the car back up. We're 9th. Outmotored again, like I said, but we're gonna give it all we got because we surprised ourselves in the Cumberland race. So I'll have front and rear video if I get my rear camera to work right, and we will hit you up after the feature. Well, I'm not going to say what I want to say because I have a bunch of youngins that watch this that think highly of me, and I enjoy them coming up and talking to me, but because of somebody that decides to hold it on the floor when they go to spin out instead of trying to get out of everybody's way, I didn't get to finish, which killed the rest of my season. There's no way I can catch first place because of that bull crap. So I don't really know what to say. We're going to finish the season out because we're not quitters, but it's pretty frustrating. That's a whole year washed because somebody don't know how to handle a car. That's the best thing for me to say. They don't know how to handle a car. You could have put a 2-year-old in one of these cars and would have went around that track tonight, but somebody don't know how to drive. So that's kind of how I feel about it in the polite way. And we get to build a nose and buy a bumper and buy a radiator and cut some shock mounts off and remake them, and I don't know what else to say. Like, just super aggravating.